I don't think people understand how crucial secure key management is in crypto. Let me break it down for you. Meet the Functor Network, the first decentralized network for secure key management. It's a game changer, folks. Imagine a modular system that works with any wallet and across multiple blockchains. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, it's not. This innovative HashWeb3 project from Security Labs is all about decentralized security. With the Functor Network, your keys are safe and sound thanks to its mixing layer technology. And the best part? It's completely passive. No need to constantly check or update anything. Setting it up is a breeze. Just download the Hash Chrome extension and boom, you're ready to go. Whether you're on your Hash PC or your Hash phone, the Functor Network has got you covered. So, why wait? Revolutionize your security today with Functor Network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome crypto tips.